This playlist is your guide to working less and earning more. Learn how to automate your content creation, lead generation, and admin tasks using simple AI hacks and systems. What if I told you the next big business model doesn't need a huge team, doesn't need an office, and can scale to 6 or even 7 figures automatically? In this video, I'll break down the AI agency model that's rapidly replacing traditional digital marketing and VA agencies. You'll learn what it is, how it works, the tools you need, and how you can start, even if you've never built a business before. This isn't theory, it's already happening. And the earlier you understand this shift, the bigger your edge in 2025. Section 1: The old agency model versus the new. Let's start by comparing the two models. Traditional agency relies on manual work, high overhead, staff, tools, time, difficult to scale. Service-based income only. AI-powered agency uses automation to handle 70–90% of tasks. Low to no staff required. Scalable instantly with systems. Can productize services and create passive income streams. The AI agency is lean, agile, and built on systems, not humans. You can offer done-for-you services like content creation, lead generation, email campaigns, even website building, powered by AI. You're not the service. Your system is. Section 2: Key components of a 2025 AI agency. Here's what makes an AI agency work. 1. Niche plus offer. Start with a narrow market, coaches, authors, e-commerce brands, and offer one core result, like 30 reels per month or 50 leads per week. 2. AI stack. Build your service using tools like ChatGPT for writing, Pictory or Lumen 5 for video, Canva plus Magic Studio for design, Zapier and Make.com for automation, Notion AI or Trello AI for client management. 3. Delivery system. Use automation to handle fulfillment. For example, client uploads their content into a form, AI drafts, edits, and schedules everything. 4. Sales engine. Use cold emails, DMs, or lead magnets to drive sales. I can help you automate outreach and follow-ups. 5. Client portal. Set up a Notion dashboard or Google Sheets so clients can track progress without needing constant calls or meetings. This system can deliver real results without burnout, and clients love it because it's fast, efficient, and predictable. Section 3: Examples of profitable AI agency offers. Not sure what to sell? Here are 5 proven AI-powered agency services people are paying for right now. 1. Content repurposing agency. Turn long-form content into reels, carousels, blogs, and more. 2. Lead generation automation agency. Deliver a pipeline of prospects using cold outreach plus AI CRM tools. 3. Email marketing setup. Write sequences, automate flows, and optimize deliverability using AI. 4. AI design studio. Logos, brand kits, thumbnails, and templates created with AI tools. 5. AI web design plus SEO. Build fast-loading, SEO-optimized sites in hours using tools like Framer plus ChatGPT. You can even combine these into packages, $500, $2,000, even $5,000 retainers depending on the client. Here's your 4-week launch plan. Week 1. Pick a niche plus service. Week 2. Build your offer plus AI stack. Week 3. Create client onboarding plus fulfillment workflows. Week 4. Start outreach plus close your first clients. You don't need to go full-time to start. Launch on the side. Refine your systems. Build in public. The AI agency model is not just the future, it's right now. This is your chance to build a profitable, automated business around your skills and AI-powered systems. Let me know in the comments what service you'd start with, and if you want a step-by-step tutorial on building your own AI agency, just type agency system below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a creator or freelancer who needs to hear this.